straighten the wheel. Straighten the wheel and then balance. Good job. Good job. And then you turn the wheel.
Can you go backwards?
Good job. Turn. Got it? Careful. Good job.
Good job, Tane. You did it. You're supposed to sit on the seat and walk your feet.
Yep. And then eventually, once you learn how to do that, you can pick up your feet and balance. Push off and balance. Don't hit your airport. He's backing up. Beep, beep, beep. Whoa. What do you say? Whoa. Good job. Likes it. He's panting. Straighten your wheel. Straighten the wheel out, the front wheel. He just... Whoa! Here's...